And looking over the box here, they have its powerful suction, removable battery, wall mounting charging, automatic suction adjustment. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open it up. Very nicely packaged here. You get a little set of instructions. I've actually put several of these vacuum cleaners together, so I kind of know what to do on these things. Let's get it all out of here. Wow, they package this nicely. Each one's individually wrapped, and it's in this styrofoam right here. Let me go ahead, take it all out, and then we'll snap it together. Then we'll come back and we'll see how this thing works. Okay, so I got it all out here. Let me show you how easy this thing was to snap together. The battery just slides in right there, no problem. Here's the charger for the battery. I'm not going to mount it in this video, but what it does, it basically just kind of locks on there, and it holds the battery in charge. Like, let me show you how this works. So it'll kind of like lock into place, and that's how that works. And then it charges while it's being stored. And then what I like about this one is you can put these on here like that. So there's a filter up in there and a filter in here that needs to be changed. And to take this off, you just hit that button on the side. Look how easy that comes out. And then see, you don't even have to touch it. Just open it, and all the dust and everything will fall out, and then put it back in. Just kind of locks back into place right there. So when these get kind of stuff in them, you can cut that out and you can clean down in there. So it's always handy to have one of those. But you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's get the actual attachments. Let's go put this thing to test. I'm going to test it in my van, and then we'll vacuum the floor with the actual roller one, because it actually feels pretty powerful. So let's do that now. I actually have carpet inside the back of my van because I camp in here a lot. Check out how well this thing works on a van. So you hit the power button right there, it comes on, and then there's a plus and minus. You can see how it's going up. There's an auto feature. There's full right there. Wow, everybody, I'm impressed. Look how good that thing's working in here. Look at that action inside this thing. Well, I'm gonna actually use this roller on my van right here. I was gonna put it on the carpet in the house. That works great, everybody. Now, obviously, if it's gonna work in here, it'll work pretty much anywhere. Let me pull this out. So you see how the rollers are going in there? And then if I want to extend it even more, see how I can extend it out. So I'll go in the house and use that extension. But right now, let's go ahead and let's put the little extensions on there. So to swap these out, it's pretty easy. Just lock that out like that. That goes in there like that. Now we have this as a kind of car vacuum. This would be great for couches or any type of like area where you just need to kind of like rub it like this. Maybe the drapes, if you want to use it on, say, like your curtains or something like that. Let's turn it up. You know, I've had some of these vacuums in the past, but this is one of the most powerful one I've seen so far. It actually has a filter up here too, so you're not blowing back a lot of dust. And let's clean around the windows with this piece right here, because that's where I like to use that one at. Oh, I like how that head turns on it like that. There's a little green light in the front. That's the first one I've seen to have a green light. Okay, let's clean down in these windows right here. Well, there it is. We actually did carpet in the van, carpet in here and along the windowsills. Let's go see what all we got inside the catch right there. Okay, so to open this thing, we're just gonna do it right here like that. Put that aside. That was only seriously maybe 5 minutes of actual vacuuming, and look at all that came in there. That's impressive. After 5 minutes of vacuuming, I've got all of that dust. Now see, this is stuff you'd be breathing in your carpet, and just while you're like traveling, inside my van anyway, or around my office area there. Everybody, I'm impressed with this vacuum. I think it's a great option for anyone that just wants to have a good kind of compact vacuum that can kind of do inside the vehicles or inside the house and can go back and forth fairly easy. If you want to change this filter, I need to go over that. You just pull that out, blow that off, or change it, or get anything out of there, or you could change the complete filter on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got in the INTETURE cordless vacuum. See you all in the next video.